风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hi there, I'm Joseph Lin, and here comes another Hakka song on ICRT. The band New Sangyu Thai Band has been nominated for a Golden Melody Best Hakka Album Award. Their album, A Dragonfly Reads Poem, or Yongmiye Kunsi, is about how people often see things from a single perspective, but with compound eyes, a dragonfly can actually view the world from multiple angles. So the song suggests that if we can learn to see the world from a different perspective, like a dragonfly, we can discover more beauty. Let's take a listen.
世間空海嘅妙一點，身在2200年，嘅點時空記錄到2100年，已經是天。同愛所愛嘅人，所有事體嘅生命，全無計較，只有人類唔言表述。離開世界，在歷史嘅上邊紅，留下一太多成長嘅故事，曾以高後嘅前奏，一早有你嘅。天理在連面紅，有迷碰水波嘅世界，天大下愛天賦變，點點就跟隨變做事。
永明夜宽词里面的永明夜就是蜻蜓的意思，而这首歌呢是在建议人们呢应该要跟蜻蜓学习，用各种角度来看待世界，就会发现更多的美好。而三口道后生乐团呢，就是以这张永明夜宽词来入围金曲奖最佳客语专辑，非常恭喜他们。I am Joseph Lin, thank you for listening to another Hakka song. We will see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.